If you're wondering how you can open any app in a floating window, so in this video I will show you the exact process. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. From here, just tap on Smart Sidebar and make sure that Smart Sidebar is enabled. Now, after you enable Smart Sidebar on your Oppo phone, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Now just swipe from the side of the screen and open the sidebar on your Oppo phone. And from here, just tap on All. And from this menu, you can open any app on your Oppo phone in a floating window. Just like that. Now, if your Oppo phone does not have the Smart Sidebar feature, then open any app on your Oppo phone which you want to open in a floating window. For an example, I will open this app, then go to the Recent Apps section. Now just tap on the three dots on the app which you want to open in a floating window and select Floating Window. And by doing that, you will open the selected app in a floating window. For an example, if your Oppo phone does not have the floating window feature, and if you want to enable the floating window feature on your Oppo phone, then go to the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your Oppo phone. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on this arrow icon and tap on Grant Now. Select Allow and select Allow All. Then tap on Enable Now. Now from this app list, just open the floating window app. Then enable this toggle, and after that, just go back and tap on this arrow and tap on Close. And after you do that, an icon will appear on the screen. Now to open an app in a floating window, just tap on this icon, and from here just select the app which you want to open in a floating window. For an example, I will select YouTube, and as you can see, we have successfully opened the selected app in a floating window. Just like that. And this is how you can enable floating window on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.